Okay, so I did some math on my broom last video. And you know, the broom revealed a lot, didn't it? It has so many more stories in it, you guys. I could go on and on about it because it is very deep when you start looking at these numbers. Okay, they all lead back to the 88 windows, which is the constellations. You have 88 constellations that have been charted in your solar system. Okay, and the 88 is also found in your Bible for your 4 go spells. And go is 22. Okay, and 22 times 4 is 88. Okay, the 4 go spells I've shown you before on your deck of cards. They're also your angels of the Revelation who have the 4 corners, right? And they're also your Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. They're also going to be found on the Sphinx. Okay, and that's how the image of the Sphinx is created. These are called the royal stars. Okay, they're the fixed signs. Okay, and I want to show you what's the difference between fixed and cardinal. I want to show you these values. I want to show you some stuff so this can help paint a more elaborate picture for you of what is going on with the zodiac here and what it has to do with your cardinal and fixed signs. Okay, so here I have drawn your cardinal positions on the wheel. Okay, and your cardinal positions are going to be found over here too, because you've got your cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable. And you see how these create the cross here? So this is why a lot of your cardinals, this is why they will carry the cross, right? We carry the cross as well because the cross is concerning the medicine wheel. That is the zodiac. It is also the symbol of addition. Okay? Now in your Bible, you'll notice how they can add to or they can multiply. And I've shown you before how if you take your zodiac addition and you turn it, that's your multiplication. Same way with your math symbols. All your math symbols come from the wheel. Okay? The up and down is the yes for the sun that bobs his head up and down and he goes, yes, yes, which is also for your CC. Okay, this is your solstice positions upon the wheel. This is your equinox positions upon the wheel. Okay, and this wheel comes from your analemma. We have literally taken and we have unflipped it to create the wheel. Your equinoxes are here. Your solstices are here. You've got a summer solstice. You've got a winter solstice. Okay, and your equinoxes are at the center. This is why we're all the Christ. Okay, this is where the Virgo and the Lamb come into play. The center of attention, the zygote. The zygote's at the center. Okay, that's why you have your equilibrium. A lot of your cultures all over the world, most of their holidays, it doesn't matter their religion. The blueprint for all the religions is coming from the zodiac because they're following the sacred calendar of the sun and the moon. They're utilizing these charts of astrology. The charts of astrology are based upon the pillars. Okay, and the pillars are the stars. So this is why you'll see in a lot of the ancient world, they had pillars everywhere. And these were to represent the stars above because the stars are fixed. Okay, they don't go anywhere. Your planets are the wandering stars. Okay, they're the movers. Okay, so at the same time, though, we need to understand our fixed positions. Okay, and your fixed positions are not cardinal. Notice how this creates the multiplication symbol. Okay, so when we come back over to our wheel here, we'll have cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, mutable, cardinal, fixed, yes, fixed, mutable. Okay, and this is what creates your 4 corners. Okay, the fixed signs, they are the royal stars. They're your 4 go spells. They're fixed for the 88 windows. I just explained this. Okay, and you've got Aldebaran. He's the ox, the bull. Okay, different values for ox, different values for bull, different values for Taurus. AU gold. Okay, Regulus is Leo. Antares is Scorpio. And Fulmont is Aquarius, and these are your east, north, west, and south. You've got your north, south, east, west. Notice how your east star is over here because this is now your X. See how we've created the box with the X here? And Taurus is east, yes, for earth. Okay, then your north sign for Leo, Leo is Nor for fire. Okay. South. Oh wait, this is your west. West. Okay, for water. Notice how Scorpio is a water sign. Okay, and then Aquarius is going to be south for your spirit. That is your air. Fire, earth, air, water. Okay, so this is the difference when you look at your cardinal points paired up with the fixed points. This is where your 8-point star comes into play. Okay, this is for the 8-spoke wheel. And then you have your mutable signs. And the mutable, they are holding space. Okay, they serve a purpose as well. They're more concrete as well because they are also concerning these pillars. Okay, they play a role in this. Now, when you take the values of Scorpio and Leo and your other counts, you're going to get 65 and 23 for your 88 windows. Same thing with Taurus and Aquarius. They pair up and they also create the 88 windows. So your zodiac is showing you 22, 22, 22, 22, but they're also showing you 88 and 88, okay, for your 88 windows. Okay, so you've got 88, 88, and 88. Everything good comes in pairs of 3. Okay, so I've come over here and I've done some more deciphering with this. 6 and 5 is 11. 2 and 3 is 5. Okay, this gets you your 16. This value also, these come in together. This gives you 16. 16 and 16, 32. 32 and 23. You've got 32. And you've got 23. You've got another 22 go. And here's your 33 Christ again, right here. Also, 23 and 23, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, that's your 5 and 5 for your say 10. 5 and 5. Okay. Now, with your 16, you could do your star math, which is your addition and your multiplication. Okay, because these are concerning the stars, these symbols here. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 for king. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 for jack. Okay, and then 7 plus 6, that's 13. You've got 13 signs for the moon. And 13 is also going to be associated with the sun because you have the 12 signs, and then you're the 13th sign who goes through all the houses. Okay, this is your house. This is your mansion, right? And you're the sign as the father who walks through all the houses. Okay. And last time I did my broom, the broom also tied into the 55 as well. Constellations tied into the 55, and so did the broom here. Okay, and notice how this was also 77 with your ribbit rabbit. Yeah, and I've also done some math here to show you about the Abba being the 55 as well. Okay, and you can find this with your star math. Okay, that's why you need to do your math with your star math, utilizing your stars. As your zodiac shows you all the symbols for math. Okay, it even shows you the division. It'll show you the equal sign for Aquarius. You've got Abba. You've got 1, 2, 21. This is your 12 months for your 21 Jack, for your 54 Sun. 1 plus 2 is 3. You've got your 33 Christ here, your 33 energy with your 33 vertebrae. There's so much to be said about the 33, which is also CC for the Sun. CC, yes, yes. Okay, when you take 21 plus 12, it gets you 33. Okay, and then when you do your star math, 2 plus 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then these create your 5 and 5 because you've got to do your math on this side for your 2 times 1, 2 plus 1. Same thing with this side, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1. And that'll get you your 5 and 5 for your 55, say 10. Okay, concerning Abba, who goes up the ladder. Okay, because this is the ladder.